guys, it's Monday the 13th of July and I'm not quite by the Ibrox Bar but close enough. Kind of, it is chock-a-block, so I don't think I'm going to get any further, but the actual Orange Parade is today, so I thought I'd come down and have a look. See if Orange as far as we can see. I'm going up that way as well.
No, I'm standing where we were, Derek. Come back and get us. Well, I'm still standing. Where am I? Where am I? Where? I was fucking standing where we were. Oh. Where you is? I'm fucking standing where we were.
Thank you very much. Just standing there. Thank you.
Sorry.
I gave up, I'll just camp here. I know. See them when they come back. is community. Everybody just coming together and enjoying the day, enjoying the sun. No trouble.
If you get somebody in a scooter.
Right, good luck. Hey. Hello guys, absolutely fantastic parade. I'm afraid, like, I don't really know much history about it, but it was to mark the Battle of Boyon with the Protestants, maybe? I really don't know. I wish I knew more history. I'm going to let it clear a little bit, and hopefully I might be able to grab somebody who knows the history of the parade, what it's all about. Right. It is red hot as well. So, absolutely amazing. But we want somebody who can tell us the history of the parade. We've got the flags up for the heroes as well there. So, you know, you just can't beat the atmosphere. There you go. Superb. Superb atmosphere.
Where to be?
So that, my friends, was the Orange Parade. Woo. There's another Irish bar up there, Northern Irish bar. And if anybody does know the history of the Orange Parade, please drop a comment down below. Down there, oops, in the comments to let me know. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, hit the share, and hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.